Hi guys, in this video we are going to create a video playlist like this. So for that, let's go to command prompt and let's create a folder with name video playlist. So this mkdir means make directory. It will create a folder with this name. So after that, let's go to this folder by using cd command, which stands for change directory. So after that, let's open our folder in VS Code by using code.command. So now our folder is opened in VS Code. So let's create a HTML file with name playlist.html. So in this, let's create a boilerplate and change the title name from document to playlist. Now let's create a CSS file with name playlist.css and let's create a JavaScript file with name playlist.js. So now let's link this JavaScript file as well as the CSS file inside this HTML file. So for that, let's create a link tag and then give playlist.css inside this href attribute and then link the JavaScript file by using script tag and then source is equals to playlist.js. So now let's open this file inside in a Chrome browser. So this is the default page. So now let's create a div tag inside this body. Let me close this. So let's create a div tag with class name parent and inside this we are going to create two children's. Those are so the first element is this video and the second element is this playlist. So first, let's create another div tag with class name child1 and let's create another div tag child2. So this child1 contains this video and the child2 contains this playlist. So let's go to inside and then create a video tag. As you can see inside the first section there is a video tag and video tag we have to give a source. Like for that, let's create a folder with name videos and inside videos I'm going to copy some videos from my local storage from this YouTube. I'm going to select all these videos and copy it and paste it inside this videos folder. As you can see, our videos are importing inside this videos folder. Just wait for some time. So our videos are successfully imported. So let's wait until this loading completed. So now our videos are successfully imported. So for that, let's give a video inside this video source attribute to do list. So now let's add a paragraph tag below this video. As you can see below this video we are having a paragraph tag with this content. Let me copy this and paste it inside the paragraph tag. So after that, inside this child too, you can see we are having multiple videos. So let's copy all the videos from this videos folder. So every video have separate div tag because for every video we are having a video as well as the title for that video. So we are going to create a separate div class with name videos for every video. And inside this we are going to create video tag with source videos and then this to-do list and behind this we are going to copy this content, which is this, and then paste it here. are having 10 videos, so I have to copy it for 10 times. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. First, let's change the titles of, of every video as well as source. So for this, I am going to add videos, comparison operators, and then copy this text and paste it here, and then change this source videos HTML form. Remove this and add this text and paste it here. Now let's change this. So just copy the videos you want. I'm going to copy it quickly. So now I have successfully copied all the videos. So now if you see our output in browser, it looks like this. So it is looking very ugly, but we have to make like that to this. So for that we have to add some styling to this web page. So for that we have to use CSS. So let's go to CSS file. First of all, let's add some styles to this parent class by selecting that by using dot parent and give max width of 100% and width 100%. So inside this we have two childs. It's class name style one and child two. First, let's give styles to the style one. So let's select that using dot parent dot child one. So after that, our first child is going to be occupy 50% width from its parent width, which is 100%. So our child one class will occupy 50% from this 100% width. After that, if you see our output, it's still looking, it's still, the width is still not decreased because we have not added styles to the video tag which is inside this child one class. So let's select that here by using dot child one video and give width 100%. So this video element is going to be occupy the full width which is available for its parent element, which is this child one class. As you can see, the parent of this video tag is child one, and we are giving width 50% for the parent and giving width 100% for this video. So this video tag will occupy the full width available for its parent element. So now if you see the output, our video will be our video width is 50% now. So now let's decrease the width of this second child. So for that we have to select that CSS file. So our second child is here, which is inside this parent class. So let me select that second class by using dot parent and then dot child two. So it is going to be occupy 45% of 45% width from its parent width, which is 100%. So from 100%, the second child is going to occupy 45% width. So after that, you see the output, it's still not reduced, decreased. So now let's select this class name called videos, which is inside this class name child2 videos dot videos. Let's give the width of 100%, which means it is going to be occupy the full width available of its parent width, which is this child2. So our videos, so this videos class name will going to be occupy full width available of its parent, which is this child2. So you see the output, still it is not decreased because we are not given styles to the video tag which is inside this child2 class. So our video tag is here, which is inside this child, inside this here child to class. Inside this we are having this video, and this video is inside the videos class. So let's select that by using dot videos and then video. So this video is going to be occupy the width of 30% of its parent width, which is this videos class. So from this 100%, it is going to be occupy 30%. Our video will going to occupy 30%. So now if we see the output, our video's length is successfully reduced. But now we have to make, we have to get this video from here to here like this. For that, we have to make display flex of this two child's parent, which is this parent class. As you can see, our two childs are inside this parent class, right? So for that we have to add some styles to this parent and display flex. Now if we see the output, our two childs are on same row, but as you can see there is a gap between these two childs as well as around here. So for that we have to use justify content space around. Now if you see our output, there is a gap. There is a gap between these two childs, right? So now let me change the background color from white to this color. So for that I'm going to use an extension called Colorgilla. So if you want, you can install it from Chrome store. So this Colorgilla extension is used to copy the color of the web page. So if I click on it, it will ask us to select an option. So I'm going to select this first option. After that, if you click on anywhere in the web page, that particular background color will be copied to our clipboard. So if I click on here, the color is copied to clipboard. So now I can use that inside the body property background color and paste it here. So now our output will be changed from white color to this color. So first of all, let me change the text color from black to white. I don't know you guys whether to see there is a text here. So let me change the text color from black to white so that you can able to see it clearly. So that so the text is here, which is inside this child one, inside this paragraph tag. Let me select that by using child one, then B. So I'm going to increase the font size to 22 pixel as well as color to be white, and let's increase the font weight to bolder. So now if you see our output, it looks like this. Let's make this text to be centered by using a property called text align center. Now if you see the output, our text is centered. But let me change the font style by using here. I'm going to change the font family to Gill Sans. Now the font is changed. Now we have to do, so let's give some rounded borders for this video tag. So for that we have to let this give some border radius 10 pixels. So now the rounded borders have appeared here. Now let's style this second child, which is inside this parent class. So let's decrease the height of the second class using, let's give some height of 700 pixels. So our videos are overflowing from this height. So if it is overflow, we are going to add a scroll bar. So now if you see the output, A scroll bar has appeared, as you can see, but we have to make these two childs to be vertically centered. So for that we have to go inside this parent class and make len item center so that these two classes will be vertically centered. There is a text here, but it is in black color. Let me change that color to white. So those titles are inside this videos class. So let me select those by using dot videos and paragraph tag. Let's give the color to be white and font size of 22 pixels. So now you can able to see the title of the videos. But here, as you can see, the video and title are appeared on same row. But here they are appeared in same column. So since these two items are inside this videos class, as you can see, the video and the title are inside this video class. So for that we have to make this video class to be flex so that these two items will appear on same line. So let's make this to be display flex. So now if you see the output, they appeared on same line. But here you can see there is a gap between this. So now let's give it some gap between those 10 pixels. So now there is a gap between this. Now let's give the background color of this for this as well. So for that I am again going to use color Jella and copy this and give the background color and give this value. So now our background color has changed. But as you can see, there is a small gap between every videos class. So all these videos are inside this child to class, so that we have to add styles to this child to class. So let's make display flex. So if you see the output, you can see our videos are appeared on same line because the default direction of flex items will be row. We have to make change that to row to column. So now our videos are appeared in same column. Let's give some gap of 10 pixels. So now there is a gap between every video. And now as you can see here, the two items which are video and title are vertically centered. So let's make that happen to here as well. So for that we have to go inside these videos and make the len items to be centered. Now the two items videos and this title will be is vertically centered. And let's give the border of this for this child too. So let's go inside this and give border of one solid gray. Now the border is added. Let's give some padding of 10 pixels so that there will be a gap between the videos as well as this child to parent. Let's give border radius for this child to of 10 pixels. So now it's looking good. Let's give some margin top for the parent so that it will look good. So now there is a gap between header and this two childs. So now let's give some styles to this scroll bar. For that we have to use the kit scroll bar. Let's give some width of 10 pixels. You can use your kit scroll bar thumb. And let's give background white. Give some border radius of 10 pixels. So now if we see our scroll bar, it's looking good, right? So it is the thumb. We are giving thumb color to be white. That's why this color is white. Now it's looking good, I think. After that, as you can see here, the borders are rounded. Let's make that do this as well. So for that we have to select this dot videos and give some border radius of 10 pixels. So here as you can see there is a small gap between this border as well as these two elements, but here there is no space. So for that we have to go inside this videos and give padding of 10 pixels. Now if you see the output, there is a gap between this border as well as this video and the title tags. Let's give border radius for this video as well. So this video is inside this videos class. So for that we have to go inside this and give border radius of 10 pixels. Now our borders will be rounded for this video. After that, let's decrease the width of this videos container to be 95% so that you can see the width of it. So now the width is decreased from 100% to 95%. I think the font size of these titles are very big. Let me decrease it. Font size of 22 pixels to 18 pixels. Now the font size is decreased and I think it's looking good. Let's make the cursor to be pointer for these videos so that if you ever hovers on the any of the video, the hand icon will be displayed as you can see. So now if you ever clicks on any video from this playlist, we have to play that video here. So for that, after clicking on this, we have to pass the video from here to here, as well as we have to pass this title from here to here. So for that, we have to add an on-click on-click attribute for this videos, and on clicking on that, we are going to call a function. Let me write that so that you will understand. So I have to add an on-click event for every videos. On clicking it, we are going to call a function called play video. So let's create this function inside this JavaScript file using function play video. So on clicking it, we are going to pass the video as well as this title, right? So this function will going to accept two parameters like video and then comma title. So we have to select this video and paragraph inside this JavaScript file. So for that I'm going to give an ID for this video like main video, and I'm going to give an ID for this paragraph tag, main title. So let's select this item inside this JavaScript file by using, let's give a variable like main video, and I'm going to select that video element by using document.getElement by ID and main video, and also get the title, selecting document.getElement by ID main title. So now we are able to accept this. Now we are able to access this video and title inside this JavaScript file. So now we have to give the values for this video and title after clicking on these videos. So for that we have to pass the arguments. So the value of the first parameter is going to be this. Let me give single inverted commas and paste it. And the second parameter is going to be title. So I have to copy this and then paste it here. So let's add this on click for this second video as well. On clicking this, we're going to call the function play video, and we're going to pass the path of the video and then paste it here. And then second parameter is going to be title of the video, which is this, copy it and paste it here. So I'm going to add this on click for every video quickly. So now I have successfully added an on click for every video. So on clicking on any video, we are going to call the play video function, and the play video function is responsible for passing the video and title from the second child to first child. So now if I click on this, it's not calling it. I think okay, we are only calling the function, but we are not changing the value of this source attribute of this video tag, because as you can see initially the value of source is this video to-do list using. That's why it's only displaying it. But after clicking on any video from this, suppose if I click on this connecting database video, we have to update the source value from its initial value with this video value. So for that we have to, so this video parameter, this video's parameter value video is the video, and the title parameter value is title of the video. So since our main video is selected inside this main video variable, we have to call that, and then we have to update the source with this video parameter. So now if we click, still not working, let me open the live server again. Close this. So if I click on this, as you can see our video is updating with the video that we have clicked. Suppose if I refresh it, the initial value of source attribute is appearing, but whenever I click a separate video, it is updating. But it is only updating the video, it is not updating the title. So to update the title, we have to update the main title .html with the title of the video. So now if we, let me refresh it. Now if we click on any video, the video is updating as well as the title is also updating here. So if I click on any video here, it is updating the video as well as title of the video. but it is not playing automatically. So to play the video automatically whenever a video is clicked from this second child, we have to make the video to be, so we have to add autoplay attribute for this video tag, so that if we refresh it and click on this video, you can see it is automatic. So if I click on this, as you can see, it is playing automatically. So if you want to add a thumbnail for videos, so I want to add a default thumbnail for this video, for this second video. So for that we have to go inside that second video which is here. So inside this I have to add an poster, and for this poster we have to give an value, the image we want. So I want to give this image as a thumbnail for the second video. I'm going to paste it. So after that we have to give the this HTML form path value for this poster. So after giving it, you can see our second video's poster is successfully updated with this image. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching.